Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Sully Toddler costume available. The MOBJVIY Toddler Baby Cute Animal Outfit Hooded Rompers. If you're on the hunt for an adorable, comfortable, and practical Halloween costume for your little one, this might just be the perfect pick. Right from the start, the quality of this romper stands out. It's made from 100% polyester, which means it's soft and fuzzy, offering a warm and cozy experience for your child. The fuzzy lining inside not only keeps the costume cute but also ensures that your toddler stays warm during those chilly October nights or any cold weather outings. It's a thoughtful design that balances style and comfort seamlessly. One of the highlights of this costume is its charming animal-themed design. It comes with a hood that features a playful animal pattern, making your toddler look irresistibly cute. The long sleeves and one-piece overall style make it easy to wear and keep everything snug. Plus, the front zipper is a great feature that makes dressing and changing hassle-free, which parents will definitely appreciate. Sizing options for this romper are extensive, catering to babies and toddlers from 3 months all the way up to 5 years old. This means you can find the right fit whether you're dressing a newborn or a preschooler. Each size is designed to fit well, making sure your child looks great and moves comfortably. This costume isn't just for Halloween. It's versatile enough for various occasions, from casual daily wear and playtime to baby showers and even photography sessions. Its warmth and softness make it ideal for any event where you want your little one to be both comfortable and adorable. It's also a thoughtful gift choice for birthdays or special celebrations. Care is simple with this romper since it's machine washable. Just use a gentle cycle to maintain the fabric's softness and appearance. This ease of cleaning means it can be a lasting addition to your toddler's wardrobe and costume collection. In summary, the MOBJVIY Toddler Baby Animal Costume blends cuteness, warmth, and convenience in one adorable package. If you want a Sully-inspired look that's perfect for your toddler's Halloween or everyday fun, this romper is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews and top product picks.